severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lakin, moving southeast. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodford County, northeastern Tazewell County, northwestern McLean County, east central Peoria County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Washington, or 7 miles west of Eureka, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Eureka and Goodfield around 11:05 p.m. Roanoke and Secor around 11:10 p.m. El Paso around 11:20 p.m. Gridley around 11:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Congerville, Evergreen Lake, Kappa, Peoria Heights, Vanola, Groveland, and Lake Bloomington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 6 and 22. Interstate 474 between mile markers 12 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 96 and 117. A tornado warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. for central Marshall County. At 10:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lakin, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes.
Be sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour, becoming north in the afternoon. Chance of rain 50%.